Good morning. Today, today we start here question number 5th and exercise 5C. And in this exercise, this is the second video. So I write here part 2, maths class 6. Now the first question is 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8 bracket close minus 1 upon 4. Now this is the simplified. The question number 15 simplified. So dear children, first we break this bracket. So 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8 means first we remove here this bracket. After this bracket, then we solve the 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So dear children, first we write here 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. How we remove this bracket? First when we solve this number, then bracket is removed. So dear children, 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. How we solve? First, this is the fraction. First, we take the LCM of 6 and 8. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. And then after LCM divided by the denominators. 6 4 ja 24. 6 4 ja 24. Quotient is 4. And 4 multiplied by the numerator means quotient multiplied by the numerator equal 4. 6 4 ja 24. This time 6 4 ja 24. Your quotient is 4. Then 4 multiplied by the numerator 4 1 ja 4. Here 8 3 ja 24. Quotient is 3. Then 3 multiplied by 3 equal 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 equal 13 upon 24. This number is here 1 upon 4, then 1 upon 4 comes down here, 1 upon 4 in this line. Okay, now 4 plus 9 equal 13 upon 24 minus 1 upon 4. When we solve this number, then here look at here, this bracket is removed. Okay, now we write here 13 upon 24. 13 upon 24 is comes from 4 plus 9, 13 upon 24. This is your denominator. Now minus 1 upon 4. Now same question, 13 upon 24 minus 1 upon 4. Then we take the LCM of this denominator. So the LCM of 24 and 4 is also 24 LCM. Now 24 divided by 24 equal quotient is 1. 1 multiplied by 13 equal 13 1 ja 13 minus 4 6 ja 24. Quotient is 6. 6 multiplied by 1 equal 6 1 ja 6. Now 13 minus 6 equals 7 upon 24. This is your answer. Okay. Now this is already in the lowest term. So 7 upon 24 is your solution. Now the second question, same just like question number first, but what the difference between these question? Here first 3 upon 4. Here in the last 1 upon 4. Okay. Here first time bracket. Here after this fraction, here the bracket is here. Now the second question, 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 8. Now dear children, first we take the LCM of these denominators. So that we take the LCM. So the LCM of 6 and 18, you can write here the LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. You can write here also the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24, and the LCM of 24 and 4 is 24. Okay, LCM of 24 and 4 equal 24. Okay, the LCM of 6 and 8 equal 24. Now the LCM of these two numbers equal 18. 18, yes, 18 divided by 6, 6 3 is 18, 3 and 3 multiplied by 1 equal 3 1 is 3, plus 18 1 is 18, 1 and 1 5 is 5. So 5 plus 3 equal 8 upon 18. Now we write here 3 upon 5 minus 8 upon 18. Then we take the LCM of these two numbers. So 5 is a prime number, so we find the product of 18 and 5. Then 18 5 is 19. So the LCM of 5 and 18, LCM of 5 and 18 equal is 90. Okay? Now 90 divided by 5 equal 18. Because 85 and 18 multiplied by 3 equal 54. Now 18 divided by 90 divided by 18 equal answer what it is 4, and 4 multiplied by 8 equal 4 5. 18 5 is 19. So 5 multiplied by 8 equal 5 8 40. Then 54 minus 40 equal 14 upon 19. 54 minus 40 equal 14 upon 90. Then 14 upon 90 we change into the lowest term, because 14 and 90 is divisible by same number, 2 by 2. So 14 divided by 2 equal what it is 7, and 90 divided by 2 equal answer is 45. Then 7 is a prime number. So dear children, 7 upon 5, this is a proper fraction. So 7 upon 5 is 45 is your answer. Okay, this question is solved. Now the question number 6. Now dear children, question number 6. First question is 3 over 1 upon 2 plus 7 over 5 upon 8. You can read this that 3 by 1 upon 2 plus 7 by 5 upon 8. You can read both type 3 over 1 upon 2 or 3 by 1 by 2. Okay. Now here this is a mixed fraction. So first we change mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So how we change into the mixed fraction to the improper fraction? We multiply by the denominator by the whole number. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 2 equal 3 2 is 6. Answer is 6. Then 6 plus 1 equal 7 upon 2. Okay. Now here we multiply by the whole number to the denominator. So 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 is 6. And 6 plus 1 equals 7 upon 2. Now plus 8 7 is 56. 56 plus 5 equal 50 plus 56 plus 4 60 plus 1 61 upon 8. Now the LCM of, we take the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of 2 and 8 is, the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay. Now LCM is 8 here. Then LCM divided by the denominator. So 2 4 is 8, quotient is 4, and 4 multiplied by 7 equal 4 7 is 28. So answer is 28. Now 8 divided by 8 equal answer is 1, and 1 multiplied by 61 equal 61. Then 61 plus 28, 61 plus 28 equal 89 upon 8. And 89 upon 8 is So we change into the mixed fraction. We change into the mixed fraction. How we change into the mixed fraction? 89 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 0 and comes down here 9. 8 1 ja 8 equal 1. So dear children, first we write here quotient, then here we write here remainder, and here we write here divisor. Then quotient is 11, so we write here in this place 11. Here remainder, so we write here 1 upon, divisor is here, so 1 upon 8. Okay, this question is solved. Now question number 2. Question number 2, 4 over 3 upon 5 plus 2 over 7 upon 10. First we change into the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. So 5 4 ja 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5. 10 2 ja 20 plus 7 upon 27 upon 10. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. We write here LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now first we divide here denominator by the LCM by the denominator. So 10 divided by 5 equal quotient is 2. 5 2 is 10 and 2 multiplied by 23 equal answer is 46. Now 10 divided by 10 equal quotient is 1 and 1 multiplied by 27 equal 27. So 46 plus 27 equals 73 upon 10, and 73 and 10 is not divisible by same number. So we change into the improper fraction, mixed fraction. So dear children, just I told you how we change into the mixed fraction. So 73 divided by 10 equal 10 7 ja 70. So we did the 7 times table. So means 7 is your quotient. 73 minus 70 equal remainder is 3. So 7 over 3 upon, this is your denominator. So 7 over 3 upon 10. This is your answer. Now the question number 4. Dear children, this is the question number 4. Now 3 over 7 upon 10 plus 9 over 21 upon 100 plus 1 over 3 upon 20. First we change it to the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. So dear children, here we change here, just I told you how we change it to the improper fraction. So 10 multiplied by 3 equal 30 plus 7 equals 37 upon 10. 100 multiplied by 9 equal 100 9 is 90 plus 21, 921 upon 100 plus 20 plus 20 multiplied by 1 equal 21, 21 is 20 plus 3 equal 23 upon 20. Now we take the LCM of all these denominators 10, 100 and 20. So the LCM of 10, 100 and 20 is 100. So we write here the denominator and we draw the line and we write here the LCM of these three numbers. So LCM is 100. Then LCM divided by the denominator. So 100 divided by 10 equal answer is 10 10 is 100. Yani 10. So 10 multiplied by 37 equal 370 plus 100 1 is 101 and 1 multiplied by 921 equal 921. Then 100 divided by 20 equals 525 is 100. Then 5 multiplied by 23 equal 150 and 150. Then 370 plus 921 plus 150 equal 1406 means 1406 upon this 100. Okay. Now dear children, here 6 is even number and 0 is here. So dear children, this number and this number is divisible by same number. Which number? By 2. Okay. Now the 1406 divided by 2, answer is 703 and 100 divided by 2, answer is 50. And here 703 and 50 is not divisible by the same number. So this is the we change into the mixed fraction. This is the improper fraction, and improper fraction we change into the mixed fraction. How we change into the mixed fraction? One time more I tell you. 50 was the 50. Now 0. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Comes down here 3. Now 54 is the 200. 3. This is your quotient. So we write here quotient over remainder upon divisor. Quotient over, remember it, quotient over 4 upon quotient over remainder upon divisor. So quotient is 14. So we write here 14 upon remainder is 3 and divisor is 50. So 14 over 3 upon 50 is your answer. So we write here 14 over 3 upon 50. Okay? Now dear children, this question number 6 is completed. Now, yes dear children, question number 6 is completed. Now the next video I will tell you question number 7 and 8. Now thank you, have a nice day.